In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. You need to start by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to take a photo or add it, tap on this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Then, if you want to take a photo within Messages app, operate this section of your screen. After you take a picture, it will be automatically attached, so all you need to do is send it. To add already existing photos, click on the same icon and this time hold this line. Drag it up to access your gallery and tap on all of your photos you wanna attach. Then select Done at the bottom right corner and send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!